Good morning, brothers and sisters, and especially our pastors and elders. I would like to thanks because God used His Son to come here. Because I go to Hewadong because I feel my neck very hurt, and then also Brother Charlie is there, and then we meet together, and then he asked me, please come to the church. So I did not feel anything because I see him very kind. That's why I tell to myself, okay, no problem, I will come. But even though I'm late, I come to the church afternoon. And then, but I know I'm saved. I know God, and then I know Jesus Christ. I know saved, but I am not totally know if I'm dying. I go to the heaven. And then the elders shared the Bible and asked me, if you die, where you go? And then I asked myself, I don't know because the final judgment is not come. And now I will not wait the final judgment because now I know I'm saved. Amen. So I find really also the FPBC that I will grow. Although my previous church is born again, but a little bit more, we need to improve. But in FBBC, it's really, I thought that it's higher and successful in the church. So I will continue. I will promise in FBBC that I will continue, and I want also to save my family, my neighbors, and also other people.
Amen.